We interrupt this program to bring you this important announcement. This is an emergency missing child alert, or Levi's call, the Georgia's version of an Amber Alert. The Thomasville Police Department and the Georgia Bureau of Investigation are looking for a 2021 white Nissan Rogue, Georgia tag DBM4416. On April 12, 2026, Keelana Butler, a 2-year-old black female with black hair and brown eyes, and was last seen wearing an orange and pink tank top with black shorts and baby shark slides. She was abducted by Lavencio Rasanad Butler, a 34-year-old black male, 5'10", weighing 150 pounds. They were last seen at the Red Roof Inn in Thomasville, Georgia. Keelana Butler is believed to be in extreme danger. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Keelana Butler or the 2021 white Nissan Rogue, Georgia tag DBM4416, please dial 911. The public can also provide information to the GBI tip line at 1-800-597-TIPS or the CSend app for smartphone users.